everyone. Standard 4 Math, Chapter number 4, टिक टिक टिक. टिक टिक, कहाँ ये आवाज सुनी है? Did you heard this voice? Yes, in the clock, in the watch. Okay, so this chapter is about clock. Do you know how to see the clock? How to watch time? Do you know what time is it now? So this is all about the clock. So in this lesson we will learn how to see the time. Here I draw one picture of clock. In the clock the main thing, there are two hands. Two hands. This is the short hand and this is the long hand. Short hand is stand for the hour. Short hand is stand for the hour and long hand is stand for the minutes. Long hand हमको minute बताता है, short hand hour बताता है. This another thing that our clock, two types of clocks are there, digital clock and analog clock. Digital clock means that nowadays it's 10, 28, 25 like a fancy, and this is the analog clock. In this clock there are two hands, main two hands, short hand and long hand, and few clocks so you can see the second hand also. Now if we want to see the time, this is the short hand. This short hand points to the 3. Points at 3. So we can see 3 o'clock. वो 3 hour के आसपास कुछ दिखाता है because still there is no minute clock. So short hand is stand for hour. Short hand हमको hour दिखाता है. If this short hand towards the 6, then we can say it's a 6. It's towards the 9. So 9 o'clock. Now we will talk about the long hand, minute hand. This is the 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. 12 hours clock. So minute hand. Now we will talk about minute hand. How to see the minute. How to watch time here. So here in this clock 1 hour has how many minutes? 1 hour has 60 minutes and 1 minute has 60 seconds. 1 hour has 60 minutes. So जो ये minute hand है वो minute के अनुसार चलता है according to the minutes. So 1 minute, 2 minute, 3, 4 and 5. Then again 5, 5, 5, 5. Okay. So here we will start from 0. Then 1 minute, 2, 3, 4 and 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Then this one 10. So we have to see the pi's table. Do you know pi's table? Yes, it is very easy. So for minute we have to keep in our mind pi's table 10. Then again 5 minutes. So 15, then 20 minutes, 25 minutes, 30 minutes, then 35 minutes, 40 minutes, 45 minutes, 50, 55 and we will not write 60. We never write here 60 because 60 minutes. So completed hour. 60 minutes means 1 hour completed. So instead of 60 minutes, we never write here 60. It is equal to o'clock. O'clock means full 60 minutes. So we will write here o'clock. How to write? O'clock. Okay. So if a minute hand is at 12. If a minute hand is at 12 and our hour hand, short hand is at 2. Okay. there is three steps. There are three steps to see the time. First step, we have to see the hour hand. Hour hand is at 2. So 2. Then second step, 2 dots. Second step, 2 dots. And then we'll see the long hand, minute hand. First step, hour hand, then 2 dots, and then minute hand. Where is our minute hand? It is at 0, 0. So how to read this? 2 o'clock. What time it is now? 2 o'clock. 2, 0, 0. So we can write this. Otherwise, this way also 2 o'clock. Again, if our minute hand is at 12 only and our hour hand, short hand is at 4. So now which time it is now? Once again, first step, we will see the hour hand. Where it is? It points to the 4. So we'll write here 4. Then second step, 2 dots. So 2 dots, and then third step, we'll see the minute hand. Where it is? It's toward the 12. So 0, 0. So how to read this is? This is a 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock. Again, if our hour hands towards the 9. Now how to read this one? First step, we'll see the hour hand. It points to 9. Then second, 2 dots. And third one, we'll see the minute hand. It is at 12. So 0, 0. So how to read? It's 9 o'clock. It's 9 or 9 o'clock. Now we'll see the minute. If instead of this, if towards the 1, then how to read? We wrote here 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. These are the minutes. We have to keep in our mind 5 stable. So again, same thing. First we will see the hour hand. It points to 9. So 9. Then second step, 2 dots. And third step, minute hand. Where our minute hand is at? It towards the 1. So 1 is, don't write 1. What we have to write? 1 is 1 5 5. जो नंबर है उसको 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. Why we are multiplying 5? Because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes. 5, 10, 15. Like that, it's minute going on. So for that 1 5 5. So we will write here 0, 5. Keep in your mind that in time, minutes have all 2 digits. Minutes have 2 digits. Like meter and centimeter. 1 meter has 100 centimeters. So centimeter पीछे के 2 digit होते हैं. In kilogram and gram, 1 kilogram, 1000 gram. So whenever we have to convert kilogram to gram, kilogram and gram. So last 3 digit हम gram में रखते हैं. Kilometer and meter. So last 3 digit meter में रखते हैं. Same in time, minute के 2 always it is 2 digit. So if it is only 5, we will write as 0, 5. So how to read this? 9, 5 or 5 past 9. 5 past 9. 5 minutes past 9. Otherwise, we can say 9 hours and 5 minutes. 9 hours and 5 minutes. Then again, let's change the hour hand. If our hour hand towards the 3 and minute hand is towards the point and 6. Then how to read? Same thing, same step. Which is the first step? First we will write the hour. It is at 3. So 3. Then 2 dots. And then let's see the minute hand, long hand at 6. So don't write 5s are 30. So how to read? 3 o'clock and 30 minutes. 3 o'clock and 30 minutes. 3 are 30 minutes. Otherwise, half past 3. half past 3. half पास हो गया. half hour पास हो गया. half past 3. Otherwise, 30 minutes, 30 past 3. Okay. So many ways to say, to read the clock. Now, again, if this hour hand is in between 3 and 4, and the minute hand, long hand towards the 8. So how to read? ये hour hand है, between है 3 and 4 के बीच में है. Then how to read? We have to go clockwise. Clockwise जाना है and we read this digit only. Because 60 minutes complete नहीं हुए. 3 hours है. 3 hours है 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35 and 40 minutes हुई है. अभी पूरी 60 minutes नहीं हुए. So we cannot write 4. It's 3 hours. So 3, then 2 dot, and then how many minutes? 40. So 3 hours, 3 o'clock and 40 minutes. 40 past 3. 3 o'clock and 40 minutes. Again, if our minute hand is at 12 and our short hand also is at 12. So how to read? So first step, we'll write here our hand, then 2 dots. Where is the minute hand? At 12, 0, 0. So what time it is? 12 o'clock. It's 12 o'clock. Let's write another thing. Same. If our short hand is here at 6, means our hand and minute hand is also at 6. So how to read? Same thing. Our hand is at 8, 2 dot, and minute hand is at 30. So 6:30, 6 hours and 30 minutes. Again, this is the hour hand between 10 and 11. Then how to read this one? How to read? Same method. First we will write the hour hand. It is between 10 and 11. Complete 60 minutes नहीं हुई है. So we can say it is 10 only. And how many minutes? It is at 11. Minute hand is at 11. So 11 5s are 55. So 10, 55. 10 o'clock and 55 minutes. 10, 55. 10 hour, 50 minutes. So this is the way to see the clock. So students, you have to draw the clock in your notebook. You have to draw the clock in your notebook. You can draw square, circle. Okay, circle also in round shape, square. So many different types of clocks are available in the market. So choice is yours. Draw a nice clock in your notebook.